Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Well, this process is pretty simple. What we're going to do is open our iPhone. And here on our iPhone, what we're going to do is go to the Settings app. And here in the Settings app, what we're going to do is look for this option that says Wallet and Apple Pay. We're going to click there and well, here we need to make sure it says Apple Cash and that it's turned on, okay? Once we've made sure it's activated, what we're going to do is go here to Cash App, okay? And in Cash App, what we're going to do is click on this icon here that looks like a card. All right, here we'll see that this will open up. We're going to choose this option that says Add Card to Apple Pay. We're going to click there, and when we do, we need to select our device here. Once you've selected the device, just click Next here to add the card to Apple Pay and be able to use your Cash App card. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.